Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. So as you can see, I am logged on to my Robinhood portfolio, and I've got to say it is doing very well today for starters. So let me just show you guys today's return. As you can see, Blink is up 150, Tesla is up almost $200 for me. But so how to buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. So first you're going to go over to the bottom middle button here. So we're going to click on that. And we're actually going to search for Bitcoin. So you could just type in BTC or just start typing in Bitcoin and it'll show up at the very top search results. So we're going to click on that. And as you can see, Bitcoin is currently dipping at the moment. So now would be the ideal time to buy, or I'm going to wait a little bit to see how far this dip goes before I actually purchase. But you can see at the bottom it says buy. So you would click on that. And you just type in the amount you want to buy. For example, say if I wanted to just buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, I could do so by typing in $100, and then I would just need to click review and make sure I actually have $100 available. As you can see in the top middle section here, you see $100 available in my Robinhood portfolio. So after I hit review, I could just purchase $100 of Bitcoin. So that in a nutshell is how you buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know at what price you buy Bitcoin at.